Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the Paxful how to send Bitcoin. So on this page, you can see that I'm on this page, which is called the wallet. You guys can see the current balance. I have 0 Bitcoin, but you can add money right here. And then you'll go to another page. You can see that also your Bitcoin deposit address is below. You can copy this address or click this arrow to get a new address. Here is the fake BTC. You can go and click the BTC or the fake, and then click address. I will say no transactions because that you have nothing to send. To click all transactions, you can click this button. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Coins website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to sell Bitcoin on Paxful.